Okay, welcome back everybody. Just thought I'd give you a quick look at a small portion of my folding knife collection. We'll start off right here with this Winchester Stockman model. It's a Winchester branded knife. It's got a wooden handle. It is very sharp and it was very cheap. I got this at Walmart. I just thought it was a nice looking knife. I bought it a few years ago at Walmart. And right below it, another Walmart knife. It's also a Winchester branded. This one is a locking back. Bone handle, brass bolsters. It's also very sharp. I use this one at work a lot. You get them at Walmart, you're not afraid to use them at work, Next we have Uncle Henry, made by Schrade. This is given to me back in the 80s by a friend of mine. This has spent a couple of decades in my fishing tackle box. This is when Schrade was still made in the USA. It's a very nice knife, held up pretty well, still in great condition. And over here we have a Case Mini Copper Lock. I consider these knives pretty much just jewelry. Really beautiful knife. You got that brass lined handle there. It's a genuine bone handle, amber colored. And next to that we have another Case. This is the full-size copper lock. Also genuine bone handle. And this is in burnt green. I believe they say this is a stainless steel or surgical steel blade. These are very sharp knives. And here you can get a look at that copper lining a little bit better in that handle. It's a really nice feature. Nickel bolsters. It's a really nice knife. No gaps anywhere. And you see the locking mechanisms mid-back. And that Case emblem right there is very nice. And below that we have a Kershaw Black Gulch. This is another working knife that I take to work quite a bit. Very well made, jig boned handle, stainless steel bolsters. I'm not afraid to take this knife to work. It is very sharp, holds an edge very well, and guess what? Made in China. Really nice knife. And a mini Victorinox. These little scissors work pretty well, actually. Another Victorinox. I think this is the Hunter. These blades are quite sharp. Very high quality construction. And we round off this little collection with this Buck 110, a classic heavy knife. Brass and wood handle. This knife has gutted quite a few deer. It's very sharp, holds an edge very well. And it's aged quite well. It's about 15 years old. And it's getting some patina on it. Nice knife. There you have it, folks. A quick look at some nice folders. Thanks for stopping by.